Where could we put it?
I think there's a good spot.
Leave it here.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to get dressed now?
Sure.
I beg your pardon. Let's do it this way. Let's go in the bedroom and see what I wear.
Mm-hmm.
You can help me with it, please.
Mm-hmm. But you know where the mail is?
Pardon?
You know where the mail is? The mail?
Yeah?
Where is it?
Right there? Stop that. No, I don't know it.
It's right there.
This one?
Yep. Just making sure.
Okay, well, this is all for your mother, for your grandmother.
Yep.
It's today's mail or yesterday's mail. I don't look at it. I let you look at it. Would you stop that? I let her take care of it first. Not funny. How can you expect me to concentrate when you make noises like that? Okay, what do you want me to do now?
You can go